Okay, but it was a very good week. Yes, we should say it was a good week.
Yes. Me too.
See, we should clap for that. It's a good week. I can see some new faces. I welcome you all here. And here first let me put any mobiles switched off. Please. The ground rules we know, but we do forget. Every one of us. I think mine is. Let me check. No, I did it before entering the room. The second thing is we can allow the latecomers or you want to
No.
So
Yes,
we are
in a
strict.
mail, I think.
We have written in a mail. So I want last. Now latecomers after 4:30, that means 5 minutes grace will give, not more than that hereafter. If you come late, please, even including myself, I have to be out. And the presentation starts at 6:30. So you can invite your guest and I expect every one of you at least getting 2 guests per week. We need to do our business. It's my business. It's my business. It's our business. So we have to jointly get everybody, should make it a point to get our 2 guests and your new signers should be here with you. Right, every one of you. And today's topic, as we know, is a very interesting invitation and prospecting. So what is invitation? What is invitation? Can anyone tell me what is the definition of invitation? Inviting a person. Inviting a person to yes, sir?
Inviting a person for the business opportunity meeting.
Invitation can be for anything. For our business.
Extending a helping hand.
An invitation is rightly, the dictionary means to invite a person. Now for us, we have to be professional in inviting, not unprofessional. How you invite a person? How do you invite a person?
Take the dictionary meaning, either you send a card or you verbally inviting the telephone or in person for the.
See, we are talking about business, so we'll invite it professionally. We just not say, come on, we'll see, meet us for our here and there. Dekhenge kya hai, we'll share something. No, professional way is you have to make your message very clear. Let it be on the telephone, let it be person to person. The invitation should be clear on your end for what you are inviting. As you invite for wedding, you are specifying why you are inviting a person? Birthday parties? For any inaugurations? Anything, you are specifying. So when you invite a person for business presentation, you have to specify why you want that person to come and attend, for what. So how your invitation should be? Formal. But what you have to speak in that invitation? Not everything. Now most of the people are older in the business, as Dharamji, Mamta ma'am, myself. We know lots about the company. So we cannot keep on telling everything to a person on invitation. So invitation should be
Short and sweet.
sweet and short. Yes. And please, the most, I will not take the full thing of invitation and prospecting. I would like to hear from Dharamji that. But because I'm dying to hear that thing from him, I know so many things about how I invite a person. I can share that. How I prospect a person, I can share with you. Rest the training, others will take for you. But I say, I have seen in this business, if you maintain your posture, that is the only key thing in the invitation. That's all, the person comes to your house or to your place where you are taking the presentation. The posture is the important thing in the invitation. And prospecting. How do you prospect? We have a long, we say 150 names in your notebooks. Do you have 150 names?
Yes.
Do you keep adding those names?
Yes.
How do you add those names?
Thanks.
10%. You know what happened initially when I joined the business? and my upline said, no, you should go and prospect. What prospecting I understood from my upline was, I have to go and ask Manju, this and ऐसा point होता है, ऐसा पूरा बता देती थी. And I have to come and tell, and that's the real thing I'm telling you. I'm not joking. I'm not making, maybe I was fool or whatever you call me, but I did it that way. And I used to come running and say, hey, Anju ma'am, sorry, I have done this prospecting. Prospecting किया कि presentation देके आई है. So it was not prospecting nor a presentation. I flopped there. So prospecting means just getting the contact numbers, getting those numbers, the names list, adding to your list. Now when you are a networker and you move out after registration from this room or from your house, what happens today? Few people have not come. In my downline they say, Madam, हमारा antenna खड़ा हो गया. This is a live example. I can name that lady and say she's a receptionist in some telephone company. She says, whoever comes, time मेरा antenna होता है, इसको मैं prospect करूँ. And my main thing is कि मैं इसका कार्ड exchange करूँ और मैं इसको list में add करूँ. That is the prospecting. So your list should grow by 10% every month. Are we doing that? Are we doing that? It's a beautiful thing, no?
Yeah.
I like to meet now people. Why? I want to increase my list. I was not interested in parties. I was not at all interested in parties before my husband was in corporate as a very big post. And every holiday in, you can say, Blue Diamond, and every weekend I had a party. And I was the last person to escort with him. Because I hate those, formal everything. So I don't want to go. But now I'm looking forward for those things. Now I make it a point when I'm in the lift, I say, hello, how are you, auntie? How are you, grandma? What are you doing, sir? See, my scooter is not working, can you help me? My car is not getting started, can you help me? Why? I don't need the help, but I just make it that I'll get a new connection. And it's not necessary when you exchange your numbers or your cards or anything, immediately you come and just call that person for prospecting. You can take your own time to build, that is bridging.
Yeah.
Bridging is very, very necessary in every step of our business. Not only in prospecting and invitation, the connecting to the heart from all the 8 building blocks if you see, or if you have experienced your business, I believe this business only works when you are connecting heart to heart. यहाँ से काम नहीं करता है. If it is done from here, it is for the short time. If it is done from here, it is for the lifetime. Right? So now I would like to invite, I know Mr. Sinha, and his son is a very, very young guy who is doing fantastic in the business. Maybe he knows much more than what I have got the knowledge of the business. And he is doing, I've heard a lot about him, but I am very sorry that his name sometime, I forget. So you have to excuse me for that. Sure, can I call you upon the stage and I ask you to share your name with me once more? Adam. So I'll ask him to share something with you. We welcome here and I ask please your name is Sam.
Hi, I just want to share an experience with you which we had in Chandigarh. It was a training. The title of the training was Opening Up the Mental Blockage. So it was conducted by Mr. Dharam, and before that training, our team, which is in Chandigarh, which was somewhat like sleeping, we would say. It was on a standby mode, we can say. Not exactly sleeping, but on a standby mode. They didn't want to do anything in this business. But after that training, after that opening the mental blockage, they were all like, on a high, and they were all so excited about this business and the terms of this business, the terms and conditions, everything, the prospecting, the 8 building blocks, everything. And some of them didn't even know all the CDs, all the modules what are the which are provided to us. But after that, they asked their leaders, their uplines, that how can we get it? How can we achieve those things? We want to see those CDs. And even me, like I was. It's like people say that "Ghar ki murgi is dal barabar." My dad was in this business, and I never, tried to, take part in his activities. But when I saw Dharamji, and moreover, he came up with his nephew, Mitesh. So he was also like me, somewhat. I could see me. He reflected me somewhat, because he also had Dharamji, but he had, I don't know, around 500 to 600 on his right side, but never developed his left. So he told me that Dharamji can even develop my left, but he wants me to do it, because either ways he has to do it, he will do it. But why not me? Why not I should do it? And that he really ignited the fire within me, and so did I in him. So it was a nice sharing with him, and since Dharamji, he told me to share all my experiences with him, and that's it. I just really want to tell you all that before all these days, I was not serious. I can assure that I was not serious at all. I can say that I was like other guys. The time pass and all that. I was not serious what I wanted. I didn't know. I didn't know my vision. I wasn't able to identify my vision. But after that, I really started working on my dreams, and I hope, and I know I will get my dream. Thank you.
So you heard a nice experience from young guy. I think we are much older than him. All of us sitting in this room, maybe you are younger here. So today's topic is it interesting, invitation and prospecting?
Yes.
Without these two things, we cannot move in our business. Do you know that? Without invitation and prospecting, we cannot do anything in this business. So how important it is for us? They are the key things. Chabi, Tali ki chabi hai ye. So for that, it's
Not so
really
important, ma'am. No one is saying yes, it's important.
yes. Maybe it's not important for them, but it is important for Kamal Arora.
So we will have another session, ma'am, at my office. No one is interested in doing it.
How many
We want.
invitation and prospecting is important? How are you excited about it?
Yes.
Very much.
Very much, but I don't think any excitement. Can we stand up and clap for 2 minutes? So we can stand and clap. I think now it's sounding a little bit, it's feeling that yes, थोड़ा हंसी आ रहा है सबके चेहरे, warm up हो रहा है. Who's going to give you the inputs? A person who is not going to share this again and again. You are fortunate, you are blessed that today Dharamji is here to share this beautiful training on invitation and prospecting. Being a leader myself, I was and I am, he knows very well, I'm carving for this. मेरी वो जो इच्छा बोलते हैं ना किसी चीज़ की बच्चे जैसे होती है कि कब मिलेगी चॉकलेट मुझे, तो ये स्पेशल on this topic. I was dying when I knew to hear Dharamji speaking on invitation and prospecting. I believe the business backbone, the business roots are here. I don't know if you agree with me.
Yes.
You agree?
Yes.
I need at least some, we are in the same business, I suppose. Or I am different and you are different. We are all networkers.
Yeah, but
We
you
are
are
not
invested and others are in coin selling or what?
Pardon?
I said you are invested and others are in coin selling.
Coin selling. No, we all are in Questnet.
Yes.
All believe that Questnet is going to give your destination.
Yes.
How much do you believe in that? Can I see the hands up who believes? Oh, so we all are going to reach our destination. We all know what is our destination.
Yes.
They are the people in this room who are achieved, year after year. I am very proud of my downline sitting here who wants to buy 100 coins. I can give one. I would like everyone to give a round of applause for Dr. Bijkar. He is I'll tell you a very, very small incidents how this invitation and prospecting works for a person. He came to Pune from Nanded, and he was in a search of some business for his wife, I'm right? And he went and saw some ad in the papers, and he went and attended a presentation of QuestNet with somebody at some coffee shop or I don't know where there was too much of noise or whatever. Same day, he read my advertisement. He came to my office in Khurki and he heard my presentation. And without his any reaction, he was sitting on the first chair, and I'm like a fool explaining him A to Z, you know. The person is here. But see, the power of invitation and prospecting was so strong that he decided that I want to join this madam. Because my wife will be comfortable, they have so many reasons. He was on the business same day by 2 different people, and he had seen from the third person also, I believe. And after seeing the business 3 times, he joined me. What I'm trying to tell you, I'm not trying that I'm very good. या मैं अपनी तारीफ नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm saying what is important. How you project the posture. And after that he was reluctant and with folded hands. Give us your guidance on prospecting and invitation. It is the key thing. If you master this, you will not look back in your life. I welcome Karan.
So we know how to invite. Kamal Nath invited me, that's all. Right? And you are bound to be there, right? Alright. It's nice things. Anyone is having Google or the colored glasses? Yeah? No? Alright. Invitation and prospecting. Last week we were discussing, we are going to take these 2 subjects today. Right? A nice listening here. I will speak invitation and prospecting, but we will not speak, we will do practical. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Practical is much better?
Yes.
Alright, last time when I was here, I said we will do practical, and I was doing practical only, right? And we did practical in Chandigarh also, no?
Yes.
Alright? So we want to do practical here only, because practical things, when you see, it remains in the back of mind. And you will be able to duplicate it 100% and you will get the result 100%, right? Because this business is copycat. You have to copy it, right? So, first of all, how many people are there in 2 Titans training? 1, 2, 3. Get it? You attended? Get it? Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. So, there was a wonderful subject spoken by Mr. Cherin Matthew, our grand upline. How many knows Cherin Matthew? Right? Okay, Cherin Matthew is our grand upline, and he spoke on the contacting, inviting, and prospecting. There are 3 questions. I want you everyone to write down 3 questions, very important questions. Okay? The question number 1 is, question number 2 is, Adamya?
Are you serious?
And question number 3 is, these 3 questions along with the method FORM. We will see this. Any prospect can fit in this criteria. FORM. Alright? What is this? How many knows what is FORM? Who doesn't know what is FORM? Alright. FORM is, F stands for family, O for occupation or organization you are working, R for recreation, and M
Money.
for money. Alright? So your prospect, whosoever is there, he falls in this criteria. Either he will be having family or occupation or recreation or money. Anything he will be lacking in the life. Alright? So how do you start? Practical totally I want to do. I want anyone to come here and give me the situation, we will do it. Anyone. Give me the situations and we will prospect on FORM and these 3 questions. What have you done about it? Are you serious? And why do you think so? Who wants to come here? No one. Okay, the chapter is over there. What is the next chapter we want to do? No one? Okay, the training today we can share some videos and sing a song and that's it? No?
I'll come, but I don't know what situation to give.
Anything. Anything. Then you are meeting him after few months. Alright? Does it happen? हम किसी दोस्त को मिलते हैं 1-2 महीने बाद मिले वो दिल्ली रहने वाला है वो अचानक आया है. What will you do? How will you meet? And how will you prospect? You are not prospecting immediately, right? What do? You are building a bridge before that, right? 2-3 months gap is there, so you are building a bridge. And then what will you do? How will you do?
How's the family?
Alright. Can anyone come here? Volunteer me. Come. Hi, how are you? Okay, I'm good. After a long time, right? Okay. So how did you come to Pune?
I just had a friend, I was visiting.
Alright. So you're a visiting friend and I was your friend. You were not, contacting me since 3-4 months. What is wrong with you?
No,
Why
that's
not
not-
your friend, please?
No, yeah, you're on the top.
Okay. So how are things with you?
Nice.
And how's family? How's your wife?
Mine is also good.
Okay. And what about kids?
Kids are nice.
Okay. And what about your job? Are you getting job?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't like it though, but I have to do it.
Alright. He says, I don't like my job. So what will be my focus point now?
What have you done about it?
New opportunity.
New opportunity.
Why do you think so, Adamya? You are not happy or you are not liking your job.
Yeah, because there's no pay raise.
Are you serious? There is no pay raise.
No pay raise.
So what are you doing about it? Why don't you think something else?
I haven't got any opportunity.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay. And what I'll do, I have something to share with you. Okay. In fact, today I have a seminar and I will take you there. It's a multi-billion-dollar company. Okay. And it's about transforming life. We have transformed many lives across the globe. I want you to come and have a look at this opportunity. Okay. And then you decide for yourself.
What is it about?
Nothing. It's just transforming the life. After, as you said, you are not happy with your job. Something different to do with it. Alright? Have a look at it.
It's
You
a
will understand.
business or something?
Yes, of course it's a business. It's a free entrepreneur. Right? It's a free enterprises. You can be your own boss. Okay?
Yeah.
And you can build a multi-billion-dollar empire. You can have the exclusive rights for certain products in India.
Wow.
Would you like to have something?
Yeah, sure.
Alright? So come over and I'll share with you. Is it okay?
Yeah, I have to.
Okay. So 6 o'clock in Godpur. Alright?
Fine.
Thank you. Alright? Can this be done this way? Something you are saying, telling him is what? He is telling. You are asking these 3 questions, he will say himself. Hey, how is your wife? She's okay, but whole day she's staying at home and she's not doing anything. Are you serious? So what are you doing about it? Why don't you offer her something,
If he is not your friend,
Anyone, tell me, come here now. That's what I'm saying. Come here, give me the situation. This is the platform I want everyone to come.
getting up.
I must tell you one thing. Until you will not speak out.
See, this is a situation, you don't know me very well, but I'm an industrialist and you want to prospect me for this business.
We don't know each other at
Very
all.
well.
Okay, but we
Just
know.
hello, hi. Not knowing in deep depth.
All right.
So how you are going to get me into this presentation of
Sure.
your business?
Okay, I'm calling you first on the phone.
Okay.
All right. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Dharam here.
Yes.
मैम शायद आप मिले मुझे पहचान नहीं पा रहे हो मैम एक बार मैं आपसे आके मिला था रिगार्डिंग सप्लाई ऑफ सर्टेन प्रोडक्ट्स एंड आई एम फ्रॉम राजस्थान
Okay.
रिमेंबर मी
Not exactly.
नो प्रॉब्लम मैम So I was just in Pune and I just gave you a casual call. Okay?
Okay.
Then I'm in Pune and I just wanted to meet
Actually,
you.
right now I'm busy in a meeting. Can you call me after some time?
Definitely, ma'am. This is my number. Whenever you are free, give me a call, please. All right? I'll be appreciating your call. All right, ma'am?
Thank you.
Thank you. I will never call back to the person who says I'm busy. I'll give my number. Hey, call me back. If you are busy, I'm more busy than
You
you.
got the
All right?
what I wanted to share with you. It happens
But if
very.
they don't call back, it's fine.
See, it happens
No,
very
ma'am.
often
Just,
with you.
you know, it happens. But that time, I will not give call immediately.
Immediately.
Second day or third day, I will give a call. Okay, I thought you are yet busy. Okay, just to say I'm leaving the town or whatsoever. Okay, I'll be busy now. Hence for 2 for 3 days.
So
okay,
come
now
up
after
with
that-
the things, the practical things, what you're facing day to day. Please, please. That's what I'm
See,
wanting to make.
here is the session when we are going every day in the market, meeting the people, you know, so many times. Even I face the problem in contact. I'm not a master,
Yes.
but I use all the techniques possible. In my prospecting, first thing I always say is, you don't need to prospect, contact, invite anyone. You just need to touch the heart of the person. You touch heart of anyone, the person will follow you. Blindly will follow you, will do whatever you say. But how many are really touching the hearts? This business, okay, I'll ask this question again. Ultimately, when you are calling the person, okay, what is back of your mind? Why are you calling the person?
To build your organization.
Build a bridge
Why you want person to join the business?
to transform his life.
Build a good relationship.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
Normally for one.
No, I want this honest questions reply. Are you serious? You really want to transform his life, or you want your UV to be updated so you can get your check? Be honest. How many people really think that they want to transform somebody's life? See, it's
Initially,
hard.
you will.
Depends on the person.
I'm telling you one thing. It never depends on the person, man. Believe me, it never depends on the person. The true heart. Okay. The son is not having any problem with any person or any animal. It will remain the same. It will not,
Yes,
be more this thing hot for something and
Cold.
cold for something. Okay, it will remain the same. Similarly, our thought process or our inner being remains the same. Okay, but what you projecting over there? That is why I got some glasses here. I want somebody to come here. Monitor me again. Who wants to come here? Come. Sir. I want you to wear this glass and look at the whiteboard. So, what color is the board?
Yellowish.
Wonderful. Okay, now I want you to check with this. So, what color is the board?
Grayish.
Is board yellowish or grayish? But what is happening here? The glasses which he has on his eyes